Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna make two beautiful pendants. For that, first we'll take bezel tab, and the tab can hold the bezel so that your bezel won't move and you can work on the pendant properly. I'm just pressing them so they stick perfectly. For this pendant, I'm taking blue and purple queen anise flowers. I'm cutting them so that they can fit into the bezel. This is UV resin which I'm gonna use for today's DIY. Each time I'm using resin, I keep it under a UV light for around 30 to 45 minutes. I keep it a little longer so that it can dry properly. With these queen anise flowers, I'm adding magenta colored and blue colored dried pressed plum blossom flowers. Cut the excess parts of the flowers. And then the final coat of resin. It's dried properly, so let's remove it. If there are any bezel tape glue left, then you can remove it with this type of tape or any other tape. It will come off easily. And now the final layer of resin. This will give a slight dome effect that makes the pendant more beautiful. If you have any doubts about making this jewelry, then please let me know in the comment section. this pendant, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.